So some of my areas of focus and interest at Innovative Dental Aesthetics are anxious patients. I enjoy working with comprehensive patients and cosmetic focused patients. So with anxious patients, I hear you, I understand you, I know what you've been through. I was there myself. So really taking the time and going slow and going methodically through a treatment plan can really help put people at ease, giving them a sense of calm and transparency. It really helps those folks. Secondly would be comprehensive patients. If you think there's no hope for you or that you've lost and other people haven't been able to help you, please give us a try. I really specialize in dissecting out these complicated cases and working with an interdisciplinary approach to just get a good blueprint on how to move forward and give you resolution where maybe others have failed. And lastly would be the cosmetic patient. These patients are really fun because they're motivated to change their life in a positive direction, and I think they value kind of doors will open after a new smile is created, whether it's socially or professionally. So those are my three areas of focus here at Innovative Dental Aesthetics.